Hey guys, it's Sam from Roadloft, and today I'm going to present you the Roadloft Conversion Kit for ProMaster. It's the first one built in Canada. It's modular and evolutive, so it's going to be really crazy. I'm going to show you. Let's start. All right. So as you can see, it's a complete conversion. So you have everything. So from the ceiling to the floor to the upper cabinet, everything comes in if you want to. But as I said, it's modular and evolutive, so you can start with, let's say, just the bed and the bench, and then go up and build it yourself as you go along the way. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the ceiling. So the ceiling is the base structure to have all the upper cabinet. So it's made from birch wood. It's already varnished. So you fix the first one and then you fix the two others around it, and you do the same thing in the back. So it makes a complete ceiling and it's easy to install. And then we're going to talk about the floor. So the floor comes with the 1.5-inch insulation. It's already pre-cut to perfectly fit into the groove of the van. Then on top of that, there is a layer of birch plywood that comes in 4 separate parts, already cut to the size of the vehicle. On top of that, for the finished flooring, you put whatever you want, so it's really up to you. So for the upper cabinet, as you can see, they're all the same width. So you can exchange them, so you can have a large one here or a smaller one here. It comes in 2 different ways. You can have the door if you want, like this, or you can have it just like that with the string over here. So it's really up to you. So you can change all of them, make them large, small. You can have 7 large if you want. You can have whatever option you might want. So the whole kit comes flat pack, so you have to assemble yourself. But there's no need for glue, nail, or screws. So everything is clipped together, and all the rest of the kit is the same thing. So you screw it, everything to the vehicle, so it's super strong and sturdy. Everything you can have, there is different options. So you can add, let's say, the top layer, which is a bamboo plywood on top, which is finished with oil, or you can have just the cabinetry if you want. Now let's talk about the sink units. So on one side you have all your water jar. You can have up to 46 liters of fresh water and a 10 liters of gray water. And on this side you have different shelves, and they're all adjustable to the heights you want. So it's really up to you. And we've seen some people put clothes in there. So it's really good. You can adapt it to whatever you need. And on top here, it comes with the sink, which is 15 by 15, and a small water pump like this, super easy to use and really convenient. And if you want, on top, you can add the bamboo plywood countertop like this. Also, in this unit, there is enough space under the bottom shelf right here to install a heating unit, so you can have a 4-season vehicle. Talking about 4-season vehicle, you need insulation. Everything is designed so you can install yourself insulation behind every cabinetry. It's 1/8 of an inch wall. Let's go to the burner side. So on this side, the first thing we have here is the fridge. It's a space for an 85-liter fridge. You can buy a fridge if you want. We optimize the space right here, so we put a small drawer here just for your cutlery and stuff like this. Right here in the middle, we have a bigger space for your food or spice. It looks like a spice drawer, but I mean, in a van, usually you don't bring that much spice. Then right here, we have 2 drawers like this, which are about 35 liters each. And right down here, we have a toilet drawer. So it's just a small toilet, portable toilet like this. You have space on the side for your product and toilet paper. And the drawer is made so it's sturdy, so you can sit straight on it, so you don't have to take it out. All right, and on top here, it comes with different options. So you can have the gas burner option, or it can be the induction burner. So it's really up to you. All right, now let's talk about the bed unit. So all this comes in one package. Right here on each side you have storage. So you have big storage right here. Box in the back, so you have access from behind too. And right here you have the same thing. So another storage that you can have access on top, and same thing right there. You can have access from the top or from the back. This unit comes in 2 options. So you can have the dinette option like this with the table, or you can have the raised bed, which is a fixed bed. So the bed is 57-inch wide, 74 inches long. The mattress is a 4-inch think mattress. It comes with a high density foam, and on top of that there is a 2 inches of memory foam. It makes a good bed and a good seating bench. All right, so right here in the back we have the 2 access to the unit I was talking about earlier. So you can put all your things for the outdoors right there. And in this one there is almost the same size. We decided to put the battery pack and everything electrical in there, but you can put whatever you want. All right, so just a reminder, this whole kit is modular and evolutive. So if you want, you can start with just the bench, the bed unit. You can start with just this, whatever you need. So you just build it your own and go up as much as you want. So that's pretty much it. So if you like that, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment on whatever you think about our kit. And if you like this, please write to us, and that's it.